Looking to go viral with your content or market your food business with ease? Whatever, you are a content creator, business owner, or online tutor, this content creator kit could change the game you're searching for. Let's dive into these features and see why this product is making waves in niche space. First, here what sets these products apart. Done for your fresh cooking animation recipes? No need to start from scratch. Lifetime access? That's right, no monthly fees. All in one package, no downloads or hidden elements, everything is included. And unrestricted PLR license. Use it, resell it, or replace it or repackage it. Unlimited exports. Create as many projects as you want without limits. This kit is built for creators looking to save time, boost productivity while managing high quality content plus. It's perfect for all major platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Benefits of food beverage industry. Now let's talk about why this kit shines and in the food beverage niche. This software contains a recipe, story video, animation videos, vertical food beverage education animations, food beverage tips and story animations, carousels recipes, and ebook recipes. Whether you are running a cafe or a cafeteria business or just want to share your love for foods, this kit makes marketing effortless. Problem solving, why it's a time saver. Let's be real. Editing, stitching, and creating content from scratch can be a time consuming. If you are a business owner with no time to spare, this product is a perfectly assistant. From video to banners, carousels to ebooks, this bundle let you create a unique content for your every social media channels. No more using same post everywhere. And it's all integrated with Canva so you can customize your brand effortlessly even with a basic version. What makes it unique? Unlike other digital bundle out there, this kit focus on specific niche that food and beverage industry, and it doesn't just stop at videos. You can get photos, ebooks, carousels, and more. That's a complete package for all your content needs. It's not just for creators, it's also for freelancers. You can resell these assets to other businesses or use them for your own clients. Talk about double the value. Pros and cons. Let's weigh the pros and cons. Content is designed with market intent, making it incredibly useful for food business owners. It offers a resale value. You can even freelance using this product. And it's integrated with Canva for easy customization of your logo and or your call of actions. Cons. No money back guarantee, which may deter some buyers. No success stories or a public opinion available, making it harder to gauge its effectiveness. But at this price point, the value is undeniable. A basic version of this content creator kit is $27 and a platinum light version of this content creator kit is $21. Pro version with unrestricted PLR costs you $29 and additional light resale rights option ranging from $29 to $43. Affordable and packaged with features, this kit is a steal for anything looking to elevate their content game. So, whatever your content creator aiming for viral success or a business owner looking to market a smarter, this content creator kit has you covered. So, want you to explore more digital products? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for weekly reviews. Drop a comment below if you have a question or thoughts. See you in the next video. Bye.